Hello folks, this is Aitanajha from inspiredwise.com, and it has been a long time since I reviewed any accessory or anything other than a smartphone on this channel. So today I have the Xiaomi Mi Power Bank 2i review for you guys. I have been using this power bank for 1 month now, and it's one of those things that you can't live without once you get used to it. So this power bank is one of the cheapest options out there, considering the fact that how much power you get for the money you pay. You see, rokada bro, rokada. So the thing is that it is one of the cheapest options out there, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's bad. So today we are going to unbox and tell you more about the same. So guys, this is a high capacity 20,000 mAh power bank. If you are using just one port on this one, it supports quick charge 3.0. So that's really great. And apart from that, it does support 5.1 volt, 3.6 ampere dual output. And if you need to charge this one quickly, you can use the Xiaomi 9 volt 2 ampere charger, and you would be able to charge it around 6 hours or so. That adapter, that charging adapter, I will do a separate review for that one. But if you think about few other things, it's quite good, and it takes around 6 hours to charge using that. And if you're using a normal 5 volt 2 ampere charger, it will take even more time because it's a very high capacity battery. You see, it has got lithium polymer batteries. Battery capacity is rated at 20,000 mAh, 3.7 volts, 74 watt hour. It supports input of up to 5 volt 2 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere. It gives output of up to 2 by 5.1 volt up to 2.4 ampere, or 9 volt 2 ampere, or 12 volt 1.5 ampere, and maximum power output goes up to 18 watts. So can you charge a MacBook Pro, the 2016 or 17 model, using this? No. I guess no. The 18 watt power is quite less to charge something like that. You need something higher than 30 or 50 watts to do so. The temperature limit in which you can operate this one is 0 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. The 9 volt 2 ampere charger can be bought from the Xiaomi website for 499 rupees or so. It's one of the best charging things out there. I will do a separate review for the same. Now let's talk about the design for this one. It has got quite a nice feel, and it uses environment friendly ABS material. The exterior has somewhat scratch resistant abilities. It's quite comfortable to hold, and it's slip resistant. When you are charging two devices simultaneously, you can expect 5.1 volt, 3.6 amperes. When you are charging only one device, you can expect it to perform with the quick charge 3.0 specifications. It has got advanced battery technologies from ATL and Lyshon, and it's quite light, just around 358 grams, so it feels as light as the previous generation power bank or comparable. One of the best things about this power bank is the fact that it also has a low power charging mode. When you press the power button twice, it would enter a low power charging mode, especially for your Bluetooth headsets, something like the Xiaomi Mi Band, or devices which require you to charge them for a long period of time using very low current. So it supports that mode, plus point for that. Overall, it's quite a sturdy power bank, but you gotta remember that one thing about it is the durability factor. I had the previous generation model of this power bank, and one thing I noticed after using it heavily was that if you tend to drop your power banks often, or if you are very clumsy with the products you use, the longevity might drop pretty soon. So I have been fortunate enough to not drop this one over yet, but in case you drop it, the internal batteries start going a little bit loose or out of place. Last time too, this did not hinder me from charging my devices, but still it takes away the sturdy, powerful feeling from a power bank. So just remember, use your power bank with care, और सावधान रहें, सतर्क रहें. 1599 रुपए में इससे बेहतरीन पावर बैंक आपको नहीं मिलेगा. तो मित्रों, इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. Sorry, I forgot it's the wrong channel. It's Inspired to Rise. So please, let's go back to English, bros. So for 1599 rupees, it's one of the best power banks that you can buy out there. It's got quite a nice design. You get a lot of fast charging abilities, and पैसा वसूल product है मित्रों. So friends, this is it for this video, and no matter what you do, stay inspired, guys.